Everything to this point leads us to here. This is the epitome of what we're talking about. Here you recognize these companies: IBM, Levi, FedEx, Avis, Amazon, Activision, Alaska Airlines, Starbucks, Honeywell. I'm not going to go through all of them, but all these companies you guys recognize. And back in 2018, 19, 17, 16, you look at the history of these companies don't pay any federal income tax. But how is that possible? When these companies have made these billions of dollars in revenue, how is it possible that they don't pay any taxes? And the simple answer is because they invest in tax planners. They invest in tax professionals who understand the tax code. They invest in tax people to understand, translate what the tax code is saying, so their actual rate of return is the tax savings. So if these companies aren't paying taxes, who are? Their employees. You as a small business owner. People who don't understand the importance of understanding who can translate the tax code, who's a tax professional who's able to read the tax code, translate and say, here's what we're able to do. None of these companies are doing anything illegally. They're doing everything completely legal because they understand the value of a dollar. And that's what we're essentially telling you. Why are you paying the taxes for these companies? Why aren't you doing what these companies are doing? Why aren't you investing in professionals that understand it? Because as a small business owner, we hire a CPA, and our expectation of our CPA is to be doing this. Our expectation of a CPA is that they are going to save us money on taxes. But that's not necessarily where they're trained. A good way to explain this is the analogy of a doctor. If you have a heart problem and you're not sure what's going on, you go to your family physician. What's he going to do or she's going to do? Your family physician is going to refer you to a cardiologist. But why? They're both doctors. Yeah, but one's trained in another area of medicine that the other is not. Okay? That's the same thing with the tax code. Okay? So you need to stop running your business and having the expectation that the people that you have currently are going to help you if they haven't already been. Nothing's going to change. If you feel like you're paying too much in taxes, then you're right. You're right. When are you going to make that decision and that change? Well, if you're watching this, you have. But hopefully this helps you kind of paint the picture and help them understand what that difference looks like.